since I was a child, I have always had a fear of someone hiding under my bed at night. So I went to a psychiatrist and told him, I've got problems. Every time I go to bed, I think there's somebody under it. I'm scared. I think I'm going crazy. Just put yourself in my hands for 1 year, said the psychiatrist. Come, talk to me 3 times a week, and we should be able to get rid of those fears. How much do you charge? $80 per visit, replied the doctor. Okay, I'll sleep on it, I said. 6 months later, the psychiatrist met me on the street. Why you didn't come to see me about those fears you were having? He asked. Well, $80 a visit, 3 times a week for a year is an awful lot of money. A bartender cured me for $10. I was so happy to have saved all the money that I went and bought me a new pickup. Is that so? With a bit of annoyance, he said. And how, may I ask, did the bartender cure you? Well, he told me to cut the legs of the bed. There is nobody under it. A psychiatrist was conducting group therapy with 4 young mothers and their small children. You all have obsessions, the doctor observed. To the first mother, he said, you are obsessed with eating sweet foods. You've even named your daughter Candy. He looks to the second mother, your obsession is with the money. Again, it manifests itself in your child's name, Penny. He looks to the third mother, your obsession is alcohol. This manifests itself in your child's name, Brandy. At this point, the fourth mother gets up, takes her little boy by the hand and says, come on, Dick, we're leaving.